You want to know what these giant yellow fish are? Well, stick around till the end of the video and find out. In this episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we continue with our time in Missouri in what I consider to be one of the most underrated places in the entire state, and that's Dogwood Canyon Nature Park. Now this is part 2 of our adventure here at Dogwood Canyon, so if you missed the first part, click on the link above, and then come back and finish up this episode. Now even though Dogwood Canyon is 3 miles one way, I feel like the best stuff happens after about a mile and a half. That's where you get your better waterfalls and your better caves. Now this is one of the few places I've ever been where you get a walk behind the waterfall. The other one is at Lakeside Wilderness in Branson, which I'll leave a link to that video up top. Check out this little, it's called Kids Cave, but it kind of looks like a sea cave, kind of like what you see at Fossil Islands National Park in Wisconsin. It's kind of just like an arch. Cave inside there. So it's looking like we possibly got another cave over here. Yep. That's pretty tall. That's cool. It's got a little opening on the other side there. There's another little cave up top here. It's kind of actually more of just like an archway, a little natural bridge kind of. Wouldn't really call it an arch or a cave. It definitely would be fun to get up in there and you see it from the other side. If you're thinking it a nice summer day, yeah, my t-shirt, we were frozen water right behind me.
This is like something out of the X-Files.
And if you're wondering why this place is called Glory Hole Falls, well, it's this guy right here. He's absolutely massive. He's at least 2 feet long, and he's not by himself. Now, this is probably my favorite part in the park, and that's these little arches and cutaways. There's also a little cave in the back that you can hear a waterfall running inside. There's a little cave back here. Can't really get to, but you can hear a waterfall going through it. I can't see anything. Little weird rocks being cut. A little clearance.
definitely tight. Through this crack. And that is what I just went through. Over there. Little arch.
Now, even though the wheelchair accessibility at this place is pretty awesome, you still won't be able to access every viewpoint in the park. If you're new to our channel and you're not quite a fan yet, consider subscribing. We got plenty of great videos in over 20 states. And if you are a fan, let us know by writing "keep on hiking" in the comments. And as always, stick around till the end of the video and see where we're going next week.
Might be another little cave here. Check this out. Like a little dried up. Definitely water would have been coming out of this. Doesn't have a fence on it, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah.
Now, once you reach the Missouri-Arkansas border, you're almost at the turnaround point, and this is where the wildlife refuge and the last waterfall is.
We're heading on up to the last waterfall here on the Arkansas side of Dogwood Canyon. Got a little one over there, but this one's called the Fishbowl. It has some bright yellow fish in it, triple waterfall.
Now, in my opinion, Wishball Falls is the most beautiful and peaceful waterfall in the entire park. It's also home to a array of these gorgeous golden trout, which you can even sit and dip your toes in while you feed the fish.
This is it for our time here at Dogwood Canyon. I'll probably be doing another segment here when the spring hits and when all the dogwood trees come in. It's all pink and purple, and probably do another one in the fall when all the leaves start to change.
In the next episode of Rob Krusty Hike Across America, we start something new, and that's Cave Month. We'll try to do that every year around February, because really, it's just too cold to do anything else. So if you found yourself liking this video and you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe. Plenty on the channel, more on the way. Till next time, keep on hiking.